Here's a complete breakdown of both bear and bull benefits. This example shows how one would benefit getting started with the 1K trading package. Each trade package is separated into two distinct parts. Bear capital is made up of 70% of the value of any trade package. In this case, $700. And this is the capital that goes to work for you using CFX proprietary trading technology. As we just mentioned, your trading gains can continue to grow until you reach 2 times the value of your trading package, in this case, $2,000. Bull capital is comprised of the remaining 30% of the value of the trade package, in this case, $300. 30% of the value of any trade package goes towards accessing that section of the online university known as the CFX Academy. And the money from this purchase enters the CFX Rewards Plan in 2 separate ways. Half of the Academy purchase from a new trade package goes to the referring or sponsoring member in the form of a fast start bonus. And the other half of the Academy purchase goes towards a uni-level bonus. Either one of these bonuses or both may continue to accumulate until an additional 2 times the value of the trade package is reached. The uni-level bonus is made up of the other 50% of the Academy sale. Whether you choose to share CFX with 1 person, 5, 10 people, or even 100 or more, each of those individuals that you generated a fast start bonus from comprises your uni-level level 1. And anytime friends on your level 1 choose to share CFX with others, those new members become your level 2. And when level 2 members share CFX with others, well, those members become your level 3, and so on and so forth. The uni-level is automatically unlocked to 4 levels when you first begin. So in the previous bear bull breakdown slide, if you referred someone to CFX who got started with a 1K trade package, $150 was earned by you as a fast start bonus. Additionally, $150 enters the uni-level. As you can see, levels 1, 2, 3, and 4 are 10% levels. So of $150 that enters the uni-level, you would earn 10% or $15. If someone on your level 3 sponsored a friend into your level 4 and they join with a $10,000 trading package, $1,500 would enter the uni-level. Since they're on your level 4, which is a 10% level, you would earn $150. As you share CFX with others, you begin to accumulate leadership points, and this qualifies you for rank advancements. The first rank, Executive, opens up levels 5 and 6 of the uni-level. Each of these levels 5 and 6 are 20% levels. For example, a new member joining with a $5,000 trade package would have $750 entering the uni-level. On a 20% level, that's another $150 for you. The next rank advancement is Manager, and this unlocks levels 7 and 8. Director unlocks level 9, and President's Club unlocks level 10. You will access an additional bonus when you become a member of the President's Club and beyond. In addition to a 5% level on level 10, you now have the opportunity to earn from level 11 to infinity. So regardless of how large and how deep your business grows organically with friends sharing with other friends, you'll be able to capitalize on it. Ambassador is the next rank, and finally, Global Ambassador, where you can receive a 2% global bonus on anything that joins your uni-level, no matter how large it becomes. The uni-level bonus contributes towards your bull capital.